What's up guys, it's Alfred. I am back with another video. So for today's video guys, I'm going to be showing you all how I got these rainbow streaks inspired by Pride Month itself. Yes, it was inspired by Pride Month. I was like, I've never seen anybody do rainbow streaks before, so why not in the hell do it? So for this video, I'm going to be partnering up with DSoar hair to show you all how I got this unit. So they sent me over 4 bundles of their Peruvian natural curly hair in 26 inches along with the frontal in the same texture. So for a review on this hair, on a quick little review, I did like the frontal. The only thing is that lace color, y'all. Do y'all see? It's like grayish, or like, I guess it's supposed to be like a dark brown lace. That's how a lot of my frontal units come, but I wish they would start selling it in invisible lace, because having to tint that and put makeup on it is just too much. So I wish they would start selling these in invisible lace. But that was the only thing as far as the frontal. And as far as the hair, the first thing I'm doing starting off is just trimming the hair and shaping the hair so that it just won't be all one length and it can have some type of, you know, pattern to it and some type of shape to it. I just didn't want it to all fall flat in 26 inches because that's really not cute, and I did that in my last curly hair tutorial and that shit look a mess. Y'all bogus for not telling me that I should have trimmed this shit. I should have did something. I should have cut some shit to make it frame my face because it looked a mess. Y'all are bogus for not even telling me that. Like, what is y'all doing? Y'all supposed to be like, okay, you need to trim this shit because it's a mess. But I've learned, I've listened, and I've learned to my damn self. So yeah, I'm just trimming it so that it could like look like a heart shape, kinda. Is that what you call it? I guess it's a heart shape, but then again, I didn't go to school for this, so I could be doing this completely wrong. If you are a hairstylist and I'm doing this wrong, politely tell me what the fuck to do and tell me what I'm doing wrong. Maybe I'm doing it wrong, maybe I'm not, but yeah, I'm just cutting it. I'm just trimming it as I see fit. Any pieces that I want shorter, I'm just going in and cut it because it is curly hair, so you could kind of get away with like trimming too much off because it is curly, so it's just all gonna fall where it falls. So yeah, I'm just doing this, just trimming it to see where I wanted it to lay. And I was gonna do like a little flip over at first, but then I just decided to put it in the middle part. I don't know why. I should have just did the flip over, but I haven't done the middle part in a minute, so that's why I did that. So after I got done trimming the hair and layering it, I just parted the hair down the middle so that I could part the sections off for which I want to color. So the way I did this, I just took a duck clip and I just, you know, clipped the section that I wanted to color instead of, you know, doing what I used to do and go in and out like how I did on my first video showing me lightening and putting streaks in the hair. I just took a duck clip and just took random pieces because it's curly hair, so I wanted to see how the hair was actually going to fall and what curls are going to be visible to the eye in the front. So that's why I just duck clipped it and I took my eyes first to see which ones I actually wanted to color. That didn't make no motherfucking sense. I just visualized which pieces that I wanted to have the color and then I just clipped those. I don't know what did I just say? I don't know, y'all. But then after that, I just bleached the hair with 40 volume developer, which sped up the process. And this hair didn't really bleach that well, so I had to do like 2 rounds of bleaching to get it to a light enough version of blonde for me to put the color on. So yeah, that's another thing with this hair, but I mean, it did bleach to enough for me to color it. So yeah, I just did this across the whole head, and then after this I'm just gonna start coloring the hair. And the colors I used, I don't really want to recommend because maybe it was something wrong with my bottles, but they didn't really take to the hair well. I don't know if that's the hair or the colors, but yeah, the hair didn't really take to the colors well. But basically I just used all the colors in my mood ring tutorial, so it will be somewhere up in the card at the top of the screen. So after this video you can go over there to see what colors that I would recommend to use. I wouldn't recommend the colors that I used this time, only because like I said, they really didn't, you know, get the job done, bitch. I really wanted it to be like more opaque how my mood ring color hair was. So yeah, just go over there and see what colors I used for that video and just use those colors instead. Okay, so moving on to the installation. Y'all have seen me do this countless of times. I'm not really going to talk in this part. I just want to show you all this new technique that I've been using, and also these are the shears that I use to cut my lace. A lot of y'all asked me that. Just go back and pause the video and see what they look like. But y'all, I found a new way to lay my lace easier. So Gots to Be Glue has a new hairspray out, and it's called the Bodifying Voluming Hairspray. So it's not the freeze spray. I wish I would have showed it in this video. I don't know why I didn't show it in this video, but it is in the thumbnail. So just go look at the thumbnail for the actual bottle. It's pink and yellow. But I love this hairspray way more than a freeze spray to actually glue down your lace. Because don't you know, when you glue down your lace with the freeze spray, you can't really go back and like lifting up the glue because it hardens on your hair and then it just becomes like gluey and muddy and shit like that. Don't you know, like in regular hairspray, if you was to spray down some hair and you comb it through, the hairspray would just like flake away. You know what I mean? So this hairspray has the same hold as the Got to Be Glue freeze spray, but it doesn't leave that like gluey residue that the freeze spray does. It just like flakes away when you comb it out. So even though I'm getting the hairspray on my edges and stuff, I could just comb it out and then it'll just be, you know, natural looking. It won't be so gluey looking like you just sprayed some hairspray in your hair. You know what I mean? So I love this hairspray so much. I will recommend this one over the Got to Be Glue freeze spray to lay down your actual lace. Bitch, I'm finna start laying my lace down with this voluming spray because I don't have time for that glue shit, and then it's so easy to remove, like y'all, and then it just looks the same way as glue does anyway. So I'm just gonna keep using this, and y'all will see this in my hair tutorials from now on rather than glue. I mean, I'm gonna switch it up sometimes, but yeah, I would recommend this 100%. Get y'all some. Alright guys, so this is basically the end of the video. I hope you all seen how I actually did my baby hairs, because I didn't really want to, you know, come on here and vocally explain what I was doing. I just wanted you all to visually see what I was doing. It's very tedious. It's a very tedious process, and it comes with practice. And yeah, just keep practicing with baby hairs. I know not everybody is good with them, but I promise practice really takes perfect. And just watch what I'm doing and study natural hairlines and study, you know, actual hairlines, like real hairlines. That will help a lot with creating baby hairs. And also a number one key is not to make them too thick. Like my sideburns a little bit, as you can see right here, is a little bit too thick. If I could go back, I would definitely go back and pluck some more out, because those are a little bit too thick. But you see, like at the top, it's not that thick, it's very thin. That's the key to making them realistic. So this is the end of the video. I hope you all enjoyed it. I love you all so much. If you didn't already, please make sure to subscribe, like this video, you know, follow me on my Instagram and Twitter, everything. Thank you so much to DSoar Hair for partnering with me for this video. I love you all so much, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, bitch.